Hi, and welcome to my channel and to my Italian course for everybody and from the very beginning in a very easy way. This course is made for everyone who wants to learn Italian due to work necessities, for traveling, or just for fun and personal interest in. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! First of all, a few information. The Italian language is a Romance language, so derived from Latin. It is the official language of Italy, but also of San Marino and Vatican City, and it's also spoken in Switzerland. Let's start by saying hello, which is the famous ciao. Pay attention to the sound ch, just like cheese. Ciao. It is used both when you meet and when you leave. Then we have buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, and buonanotte. Buongiorno, buonasera, and buonanotte can be written both separated or not. Ciao is used with people you know well, so it's informal, but you may also hear it when you enter a shop, especially among young people. When I go to a shop and the person who works there is also young, we tend to say ciao even if we don't know each other. You can also use salve, which is used to greet strangers, but it's a bit less formal than buongiorno. Salve can be used all day, no matter if it's morning or evening, just like ciao. For today, that's all. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video. Ciao!